They say it's a combination of a proprietary plastic and a honeycomb pattern inside that distributes the force. Because I'm not going to risk my own phone, and I'll test the thing out. Okay, so I popped the bumper on and I started dropping it from chest height. And again, over and over and over, nothing. Then head height, nothing. Then up over my head, and higher, and higher, and higher. I mean, this thing was ridiculously good. Finally, I succeeded. 15 feet up, hurling the phone straight down with both arms with all my might. No, I never did crack the screen, but I bent the phone a little. Does that count?